I'm out in beautiful West Wales today, before I travel back to South Wales. I just wanted to ask if anyone's interested in my books. Now, I was at the Barry Yacht Club last night, and that was great. And people bought a few copies of this book, Romans in South Wales. I've still got copies of Ghosts of Glamorgan. This book itself I published as part of my publishing company. This is by Brian Ketch. This is £15. These are all £10. So if anyone's interested, right, I can send you a PayPal link. I can send you a bank link. Or if you're about in Barry next Thursday in the afternoon, I can bring the books to you and you can give the cash to me, right? So I'd love to be able to get these books to you for Christmas. And my books have been always really popular. And if I can help, get in touch.